I'm starting at the property line. It's September the 2nd, a light drizzle. This is the beginning of the journey. Sort of gives you the orientation. And they have to make a little jog here because of the underbrush. We can get back to the property line right there. So here's the property line. So this is a partially graveled road here with a lot of evergreens on the side. A little bit off here. I'll have to redo this, but I can make a little shuffle down here. Maybe I'll restart in a while, but this would be putting me pretty much in line with the property line. There is the post at this point.